You have no idea how important images are on Amazon. If I show you, you see I search for supplements here, and you see you can add to cart here from the SERP page. And you know, what will play the big role here? Your main image. Yeah, there are other factors that influence your customers like price and rating, etc. But you know, a proper main image better than 1000 words. Now, let me ask you, do you plan how your product images should be designed? Especially your main image? Because it is the key to increase the CTR. The more people click on your product, the more you will sell. Simple. So it is very important. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how you should design your product images. From main image to feature image to lifestyle image, all. Here I choose the supplement category because we're in the Q1 now. And it's the best category for selling during Q1. This is Nusrat from Ecomclips. So let's get started on how you are going to beat your competitors with proper image planning. When it comes to health products, the way you present them is crucial. It's not just about listing all features. You need to make customers believe that your product is not only good for them, but also better than the other options out there. The key is how you showcase your product in a proper way, focusing on the key selling features. That's what will grab the attention of health-conscious folks. And the most effective way to do that is with a well-crafted set of product images. So, I will show you how we can bring a dramatic changes in our product images. Let's start with the main image first. I am right on Amazon. Let's search for protein powder. Now see all these protein powders available here. Take a look at this picture. You should avoid using this kind of main image. See, it says 100% whey protein, but the image is not good. It also looks fake without any shadows. Now let's find a better example. Check this image on the right side. Well, it has a shadow but not great. The left side image is better than the first two, but nothing special. Now let's look at the top selling product. Look at this image. It has shadow and looks real. And the way they edited the image. They even placed a chocolate slice in the front of the packaging. So you can easily tell it's chocolate flavored without reading the title. Also, check out this cool thing a seller did. They highlighted the amount of supplement per scoop on their packaging. It's the small thing that make a big difference. These best sellers always come up with the best practice to design their main images so that they can catch the customer's attention and increase their CTR. So, you see, most of the sellers put important information in the product title, which means the customer have to read the product description to figure out what kind of supplement it is. But what if you change things up? Check out this product. Organic turmeric capsule with turmeric and ginger, which contain 1950 mg per serving. And you see the main image has nothing impressive. Just the product with a white background. No creative factors here. You need to be creative when you design your image. I would say it's not doing just justice to the product properly. So here, we created an improved after image. In this version, we highlighted that the product is GMO free, which is crucial information. To make the image more eye-catching, we displayed the ingredients in front of the product, showcasing the powerful combination of turmeric, ginger, and black pepper. Additionally, we retouched the main image to make it more visually appealing, ensuring it effectively captures attention. Now, people can see exactly what they need to know at a glance. They don't have to rely on the title. They can just see the image and get the main points. This is a great way to capture customers' attention. They see what they are looking for, and they are interested enough to click for more details. This is the kind of main image magic that can turn a casual browser into a potential customer. Just to tell you, For doing a main image like this, there are agencies charging hundreds of dollars, and we are giving you the whole idea for free. And we can also do a free audit for you. Just give us a call for an appointment. Well, so here's another example. This one for conscious mushrooms. This is the before image here, and as you can see, there is only the product in a white background. Nothing much. But look at this after editing image. Here we put the mushroom in front and center, showing the whole and sliced form, as well as the capsules. And most importantly, we made a subtle but impactful change by adding the word vegan on the cap. This makes it easy for the customers to see that this product is vegan friendly. Now, you tell me, which image do you think is better to grab the customer's attention? Obviously, the after image. Okay, now let's talk about the infographic images. So, having an infographic images for supplement category is very important. In this image, we use some handy infographic icons to show that our product is gluten-free, GMO-free, lactose-free, and has no additivities and is all natural. We didn't just put all the things together. We did extensive research on our product and highlighted its key features. These features are exactly what our customers are looking for. If you check out the word we used, turmeric and ginger, 1950 mg per serving, we are highlighting the flavor, mentioning how much one is getting per serving. It's all there, neatly presented with eye-catching graphics, so the customer can see everything at a glance. So, don't forget to add proper infographics to your images. Okay, moving forward, let's talk about the feature images. We know that supplements comes in variety of forms, but our specialty is capsule type supplements. We want to attract customers who are used to taking supplements in powder form. By highlighting the unique advantages of our capsule type supplements, we also highlighted that our capsules are easy to travel with, don't have a strong odor, consistently deliver the same doses daily, and have an extended shelf life. We are not trying to trick our customers. We are trying to educate them on the benefit of capsules and entice them to switch from powder. And this is what you should come up with. If you have something unique, do talk about that. Highlight that to grab more unique customers. Supplements comes in tons of different flavors and ingredients. So if yours are especially tasty, you should highlight that with a feature image. As we mentioned earlier, Amazon requires a clear image of your supplementary ingredients. So you can show that off in a way that's appealing to potential customers. And we did the same. We included an ingredient image and you should also do the same. If I just show you, this is the image that highlights the ingredient in this product. If I just show you, this is the image that highlights the ingredients in this product. Actually, we wanted to show our customers that this product is more than just a collection of ingredients. It's about unlocking the health benefits of turmeric and ginger. This image focuses on the goodness that these ingredients can deliver. This way, you can convince your customers by creating and highlighting the things they are looking for. The next image we'll talk about is the lifestyle image. Your product should have a lifestyle image that shows customers how it would look when people use it. This image should connect with and inspire your customers. So, here's what we did. We add a tagline that tells people how much of the product they should take. And we put two people in the background to show how strong they are after using the product. You can say this is a form of psychological marketing. Also, I recommend you to add the image of what your product will do for your customers. For an example, we used a model in our image. This image shows how our product can help people live healthier and happier lives. It's more than just a picture of the product. It's a story about the benefits of using our product. Your images should tell a story that resonates with your customers and makes them to want to use your product. In addition to images, you should also include videos, brand stories, and A+ content. But we'll get into that in a later video. I hope this video gives you a good idea of how to design your images for the supplement category and attract more customers. As mentioned earlier, we can do a free audit and trial for you if you need it. We are not like other service providers who charges hundreds of dollars for just preparing a main image. Also, we have more resources like what we shared today. You can visit our YouTube channel and our websites, which has lots of cool things you should check out to make sure you level up your Amazon strategies in 2024. And if you want some help, we are always here for you. We are a full-service e-commerce agency with over than a decade of experience. Currently, we have over 300 e-commerce experts. Together, we have helped and managed thousands of Amazon choices and bestseller ranked products. You can get a same-day free appointment and talk to us about how we can help you with wonderful strategies. So, check out all these resources or give us a call today. We can talk to you to solve your queries. Thanks for tuning in today. We'll catch you in the next one.